Welcome to Hey You Know. Today, we're exploring the best places to visit in 2025. From ancient cities steeped in history to landscapes sculpted by nature, the possibilities for exploration are endless. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing travel content. Our first destination takes us to the heart of Japan, to the ancient city of Kyoto. Kyoto is a city of contrasts, where ancient temples and traditional tea houses stand in harmonious juxtaposition with modern architecture. Imagine wandering through the serene bamboo groves of Arashiyama or catching a glimpse of a geisha in the Gion district. And in the evening, indulge in the delicate flavors of traditional Japanese cuisine, each dish a work of art. Our journey now takes us north to Reykjavik, the vibrant capital of Iceland. This city is a unique blend of modernity and tradition, where colorful buildings line the streets and the air is filled with the sounds of bustling life. Here, amidst dramatic volcanic landscapes and glaciers, you'll discover a city pulsating with creativity and a deep connection to nature. The natural beauty surrounding Reykjavik is simply breathtaking, with its rugged terrain and icy vistas. Witness the awe-inspiring Strokr geyser erupting, a natural spectacle that draws visitors from around the world. The power and majesty of this geyser are truly unforgettable. Or soak in the warm, mineral-rich waters of the Blue Lagoon, a geothermal spa that offers relaxation and rejuvenation in a surreal, otherworldly setting. The iconic Hallgrímskirkja church offers panoramic views of the surrounding area. This architectural marvel stands as a symbol of Reykjavik's rich cultural heritage and provides a stunning vantage point. Reykjavik is a city that will ignite your senses and leave you breathless with wonder. From the mesmerizing northern lights dancing in the night sky to the vibrant city life, Reykjavik is a destination like no other. Our next adventure takes us to Cape Town, where the majestic Table Mountain casts its imposing shadow over a city teeming with life. This iconic landmark is not just a backdrop, but a symbol of the natural beauty that defines Cape Town. Imagine taking a cable car to the summit of Table Mountain, a journey that offers breathtaking views and a sense of adventure. The city sprawling beneath you, a mosaic of urban life and natural splendor. The Atlantic Ocean stretching towards the horizon, its vast expanse meeting the sky in a seamless blend of blue. Wander through the cobbled streets of the Bokap district, a neighborhood rich in history and culture, greeted by brightly colored houses that tell stories of the past and present. And for those seeking adventure, Cape Town is a playground of outdoor activities, offering hiking trails that wind through stunning landscapes, and the thrilling experience of cage diving with great white sharks, an encounter that promises to be unforgettable. Our journey now takes us to Vancouver, a city nestled on the edge of the Pacific Ocean, where the urban landscape meets the serene waters. This bustling metropolis is a harmonious blend of natural beauty and modern living. Embraced by the towering peaks of the Coast Mountains, Vancouver offers a unique juxtaposition of city life and rugged wilderness. The mountains provide a stunning backdrop, making every view a picturesque moment. Imagine strolling through Stanley Park, a sprawling urban oasis that spans over 1,000 acres. This park is a sanctuary for both locals and tourists, offering a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. Here, towering cedar and fir trees stand as silent guardians, their presence a testament to the city's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. The park's lush greenery and tranquil atmosphere make it a perfect spot for relaxation and reflection. From the city center, you can hop on a bike and explore the city's extensive network of cycling paths. Vancouver is renowned for its bike-friendly infrastructure, making it easy and enjoyable to navigate the city on two wheels. Cycle along the seawall, taking in the fresh ocean air and breathtaking views of the coastline. The seawall is a favorite among locals, offering a scenic route that stretches for miles along the waterfront. Or venture to Grouse Mountain, where you can hike through lush forests and experience the natural beauty of the region up close. The mountain's trails cater to all levels of hikers, from beginners to seasoned adventurers. At the summit, take in panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see. The sight of the city below, framed by the ocean and mountains, is truly awe-inspiring. In the evening, indulge in Vancouver's vibrant culinary scene. The city is known for its diverse range of dining options, from gourmet restaurants to cozy cafes. Sample fresh seafood, locally sourced ingredients, and exquisite wines, all while enjoying the lively atmosphere that Vancouver has to offer. Our final destination takes us to Lisbon, the sun-drenched capital of Portugal. Perched on a series of hills overlooking the Tagus River, Lisbon is a city steeped in history. Imagine riding the iconic yellow trams through the narrow streets of the Alfama district or climbing to the top of the São Jorge Castle for breathtaking views. In the evening, indulge in the soulful sounds of fado music, echoing the city's rich history. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey to some of the world's most captivating destinations. Let us know in the comments which destination you're most excited to visit. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more travel inspiration.